for adofo Ghana for this year. Mo twa wiase afa na nyina asia. Me makwaba eba Omamba TV so. It's your main man, Gucci one, and I'm de Maka Jumadi bro. Na ebusuafo ena no paye koda sorry ya. Video bi nam social media and so Facebook, WhatsApp so ne YouTube ni dia keka ho nyina. Na a video be ya ye twa ehu tew. Ye ba ye di munsam nyina ebe bro. Ye ba sisia. Babim eba Omamba TV so na sadia ebusafo na meka no ye sorry ene kwasiada no pa Sunday morning ene ehum say ye video bi nam ye social media no so koba na ni na say ye owura honorable Albert Kendapa ono ene ye national security minister ebusafo Ghana omamuni nyina ye national security minister opanyimpa oda no owura Albert Kendapa and a video no muno video na circulate on social media no oni ababa we bi atwetwe nkomo bebre no susu se and side chick say na langa jua bi oni ni hibom na oni ni atwetwe nkomo wo ye video no mu na producer meso yenko na yenko hwe de si ye ba ya chirichimu na ya to aso.
Don't come back.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. And okay.
You are leaving tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm leaving tomorrow.
Okay.
So you'll be in Europe for how many days again? I can't see your face.
Because you've decided to take it off your screen.
Oh, okay.
Tuesday, Wednesday.
Oh, okay. What are you gonna are you gonna miss me when you're on the flight?
Of course I am.
Okay.
Of course.
What are you wearing now? Let me see.
I'm in pajamas.
I want to see your pajamas. I want to see the front, the back, like the way you did it yesterday with the suit. Oh, it's nice. Nice pajamas. Turn around, let me see it. Is it trouser or shorts?
Trouser.
Let me see the length. Raise your leg. I can't see. Oh, okay, I see. Nice. Wow. What brand is that?
It says it right here.
Oh, okay, it's nice. Wow. You have good taste. Yeah. I see.
I wish I could have hugged you.
Aww.
I did that day and it was so nice. It put me to sleep immediately.
A hug from you put you to sleep, eh?
The last time you did to me, didn't it put me to sleep?
It did.
Mm-hmm.
Straight. It put you straight to sleep. What are you drinking? Water. Okay.
Yeah.
So, what's the time there?
9:24.
And what time is your meeting?
I'm going down at 10. I'm going to the bath now.
Okay.
To have a bath with you.
Okay.
We're going to bath together.
Ish. Okay. That would be some serious bath. When you finish bathing, when you finish dressing up, are you going to call me for me to see what you're wearing? So I approve it.
Great. I'll do
Okay.
that.
All right. So I'll be waiting, babes.
I love you.
All right. Bye.
Bye.
Yo, abusafo video no na producer e de ba ye ma ye nyina hwe ye na ye tie de e course so ewo sa video no mu na de me person me twe yenyanum Ghana fo no bi adwensi so enye private side na enye said you who video no mu no ababa wa no Alangadwa ne say minister ma na so na minister apagya ne nine minister twa ho na minister ko merry go round o twa ne ho say ate esi apaso na minister twa ne ho saa esan say Alangadwa say obeso o twa ne ho enti minister twa ne ho fair enough ho de opanyin no asem he is matured enough onim de ope nti Alangadwa say on twa ne ho no obetwa ne ho krampo a eno de owura kenda pa ensem but baby empese ye twe anam twi Ghana for ya dwene si security information a empo waliki edi ama ababa no eno na empayimfo ene adofo a mo tie me a mo hwe me no me pese ye twe ya dwene esi so. I don't think say on my bia we asum ha national security minister wano eti say isu a ehwegu yo te say okro maf wo de otimi nka wano antum national security minister bia no ese o ma wano emu ye du wano ese o ma ne du pa na wetimi a kire ababa awano say wo Europe wetimi a kire no time a wo si afi hotel room akọ meeting what me action say Africa the bathroom crowd only need a boy any openyi kenda pa where I think say it is below the belt or private conversation there I careless enya ho na me hwe Ghana for bebre no ebi di o madwe but enya ho na me hwe me no I'm much more concerned about woman girl na hunu wa itinerary any baby a onenam so obi person odi obone a owura kenda pa you know say being a national security minister no o ye target ma ebinum obi ye be power to ho because wo task and now do me dey say we say we be preventing obonefo no akwan bia so so oba be dey e ba be di Ghana for bone it hunu say wo da otamfo bi hit list so into the owo ye bia nka be ma sabio wani ene onyansa no aguide wo now so this is the case what match the guy de obabia oni nam ni de okoyi nyina anytime wo dey free krokro so na wo ni nyina so obi be so ye oboni antem pa obetima ye oboni enti ye hono de it is below the belt na again na Ghana for ye ka fa sa de wa bebre aye yes of course so dem kai no so ye be man ko ade a ene no wadu mpanyin fie so a you cannot tell me say bia on si oba pe na enti na so mum yenyi sa private side enfi ho na nke yenhwe ade ye obi nim by this time there say girl you so be na suma no so omra no be ye no be information vital information bi enfi ho no ma opanyin na che say wo di ni nyina ama no watamfo no enya sa vital information we nyina and then omkuku I don't think say sana adwuma no mra etie enti senka ye oman bi so a owura kenda pa wonim say by this time enko wasi form ka won kire mo bi won tra ho mo bi meka to say opanyin resign ansa no wa resign enka by this wasi form nenso your mind garden mu yes of course ye be kasa ho nothing will be done about it na as usual yakoswa sa na the next person will come and be the same thing will happen need to be eguso enkopem da ben be before Ghana for any mon paying for enkopem da ben any betimi asesa ekwan ya ye fa so normal enti enko ema nyina empayimfo titiri mu amo de bia wo man Ghana mumma manu enyedu enfo wo man Ghana ho mumma manu enyedu enfo man Ghana now coming to Alangadwa no ne side chicos and wine no also de wo ye eni hwe hin me huhu enfa so obi na abo pa for crying out loud no oye national security minister it is our vital information now because of bibinchi bia wo bia so a kire no so odi ama ninti or running no as okro maf ni nyina adi ama ho no na sabi menim adwena wo so ewo utirimu because sa no ma we nyina ma western world ni hu ni say ye kra na yeti ho no we are not serious as a nation and of course yes sa no ma we akokoso no ma bebi akokoso no it tells us and it shows them clearly say we are not serious as a nation because they know be sa bampa ye nti ho na mo ye ho hwe e jai e manika na the next person obeba no so no ono so I dey atwa so na why the same thing because odi kan ye no ya anya ne hwe ye ni say ya o my Ghana entimi entumpon enti owura kenda pa so hwe na eyade o wano eye okuru maf eye chabi opanyi a wontimi nka wano mpaado because position a wono eni kwa so kasa bebira na hwe na wontimi adwuma na de bia asa de eka na etietia for adwuma to won na fe koma eye de ode se wonsa ne emfa de na no oduru a obetimi aye adwuma no embassy hono maka yo, I subscribe to your YouTube channel, no? Who call YouTuber now? What searching for Omamba TV now? What subscribe? Once a subscribe on the channel, I don't make it to every or click it so I say oh no, I click it on so say the bear your videos be at the Baba Bontino. Nobody can any be ashane kane. Sa enso and a Facebook okwa no I searching for Omamba TV. Then so I like your page, you know. No say your videos no be no comment e bi amaye. Me da mu nyina amase makramo.